Welcome to the STEBBINS Hall Berkeley Student Cooperative House Tour. Here is the entrance to STEBBINS. When you first enter, there's like a study room right here. There was some people, I think, doing a test, so I didn't want to bother them, but in essence, it's just a place with a lot of seating to study and tables. Here's another communal space, so there's some couches and stuff. This was recorded during finals week, so everybody was a bit behind on work shifts, so it's a bit messy. Usually it's not as messy. Here's some outdoor space that STEBBINS has. They've cultivated some plants. They've got some outdoor seating. This can be used for like small get-togethers or whatever house events the house decides to throw. Here is another view of the common space we saw before. Here is the mystery room, which is another communal area for people to gather and study or do whatever they'd like to. Here's another view of the hallways of STEBBINS. So the co-ops, they allow you to paint whatever you want on the walls, so people have taken advantage of this to really artistically express themselves. Here's an example of a bathroom. Here's an example of some storage space in STEBBINS in case you need extra storage space outside of your room. The hallways have windows on either side, so that was an example. And this is just another example of a hallway and like the room layout. So there's rooms on both sides as well as bathrooms. And here is the walkway to the other side of the house, basically. Now we are headed to a storage space where they kind of keep their maintenance supplies. Usually people are assigned once or twice a month to clean a bathroom, and it's like evenly divided by people on the floor. Here's another example of a bathroom with a shower. This is some storage space that members use to keep extra stuff. This is a walkway to one of the main dining areas of STEBBINS, so people will congregate to eat or to just do homework together. They have a lot of appliances that are communally used and communal spices as well. The fridges you see are communal fridges, so people can put their personal food in there, but food that gets delivered from Central Food Services, which is included with your rent, dinner every night, Monday through Friday, will also be delivered. Here's some of the communal kitchen space. So they have like communal utensils and pots and pans, communal fridges. Here's the pantry. Now here's a look into the walk-in fridge. So a lot of the produce that gets delivered each week will be put there and used for communal dinners. Inside this fridge is more for personal food. Here you can see this is like a non-refrigerated food pantry. So this is all food delivered by Central Food Services that you can just snack on. Here is the free pile of STEBBINS, so people will leave stuff they don't want and other people will take the stuff if they think it's useful to them. Now we're headed into a projector room, so they'll show movies here or people will hang out in this room. Now this is the laundry room. People will wash their clothes and dry their clothes. It costs around $125 to wash and dry your clothes. Now here is the garage of STEBBINS. So people park their cars here. They have a gym behind one of these locked sheds, as well as storage space and bike storage space. Here is the garden area that STEBBINS shares with another co-op, but basically people in STEBBINS can use it. It's a nice place for communal gatherings or band nights. STEBBINS only has doubles and singles, so this is a sample single, and then this would be a sample double. Thank you.